Good morning, sir. My name is Georgine Chi and my number is 277-338. Today I would like to present my assignment 2, which is create a Telegram bot for searching SOC lecture information. Before I demo my Telegram bot, first I have created 3 classes, which is S277338 bot, and database connection, and also 1 main classes. So to create a Telegram bot, we need to create our own bot to receive authentication token through message bot for the account. After we complete connect an account for Telegram bot, we need to import the dependency directly for the network central repository. Then we need to change the bot username and the bot token for return to return my bot username and also the bot token. So this is the dependency, and also we need to change the bot username and also the bot token. Then this is the main class. This class is to initiate the Telegram API and register our bot. Next, for the database connection, this class is for connection to SQL database. It is because in this program, all the SOC lecture information will be stored into SQL database. Now I will open the database. So my database is named mydatabase.db, and inside this database it consists of one table, which is named lecture data, and it consists of 3 columns inside the table, which is stop ID, name, and also the room. So moreover, to ensure our SQLite database can be connected, we need to download the STPC driver for SQLite driver. So we need to import the dependency. So this is the dependency that we need to import, and also back to the class. So this is the URL where I locate, and also I have created one constructor class for the database connection class. Then for the S277338 bot class is extend the Telegram long polling bot class and implement on update receive method, get bot username method, and also the get bot token method. Then on update receive method will be called when an update is received by the bot. For example, this is used to check whether if there is a message in update. So if there is a message in the update, so it will retrieve the message object from the update object. So for the long chat ID is a unique identify the chat with the user who sent the message. So for this is for creating a send message object, which is used to send a new reply to the user. Then this is set the chat ID of the reply message to the same chat ID from the retrieved message. Then in my Telegram bot, it consists of 4 commands, which is start, cancel, count, and also the search. For example, if the user send the start command to the bot, so it will set the text and reply to the user, hi, the username. You may choose the command to proceed, just input the lecture name, cancel, operation cancel, count total number of lecture. So if the user send the cancel command, then it will reply operation cancel. So for the count command, then it will go to the get count lecture method. So this is the get count lecture method. This method is for calculating the total number of lecture that's stored in the database. So for the first query is used to count the total number of record in the lecture data table, and then the second query is used to display the detail of all the lecture and order them in ascending order based on the room column. Then this is used to execute the parameters SQL query, and then same this is used to creating sending message object, which is used to send a new reply to the user, and then this is set the chat ID of the reply message to the same chat ID from the received message, and then this will process the result set, and then it will retrieve the data. So at the end, it will close the statement and also the connection. Now, if the user sends the search command to the bot will set the text and reply to the user, please provide lecture name. Then the user will provide a lecture name and will check the name is valid or not. So now go to the search name method. So this method is for searching the lecture name in the database using the patient match. So this SQL query is used to retrieve all the data from the lecture data table where the name column match a specific pattern specified using the like operator. So now, if the name is found in the database, then in this case, I have using the inline keyboard method. It has provided two buttons. One is the yes button and another one is the no button. So for example, if the user choose the yes button, now it will go to the get nearby lecturer method. So this method is for searching the nearby lecturer in the database. So this SQL query is used to retrieve all data from the lecturer data table based on the room and the name column. And then I have initiated the column to 1 and then set the count until the 5. This means that the nearby lecturer will be displayed up to 5 only. Then we go back. So if the user choose the no button, then we go to the no button. Then the bot will set a text and reply to the user. Just again, you may choose the command to proceed. Just input the name or cancel the operation. Or if the name is not inside the database, I also use the inline keyboard. So I have provided one button which is try again, and also the bot will reply a message name not found in the database. So the user can click on the try again button. So now the bot will reply a message. You may choose the command to proceed. For example, just input the lecturer name or cancel the operation. So now I would like to demo the Telegram bot. For the Telegram bot, this is the UML diagram, and then this is the Java dot. It consists of 3 classes. For the database connection classes, it consists of one constructor named database connection. Then for the main classes, it also consists of one constructor which is named main. And then for the 27733 bot classes, it consists of one constructor and also the 6 method. And then below are the constructor detail and the method detail. So now I would like to move on to demo the Telegram bot. First, open the bot. So this is the bot description. Welcome to S27733 bot. The purpose of this bot is used to search a lecturer roll number at the SOC building based on the lecturer name input. It will also display with 5 nearby lecturer, include lecturer name and the roll number. So now press the start button. Then the bot will reply, "Hi Jingqi, you may choose the command to proceed." So click the menu button. So it has provided 4 commands. So now I will send the search command to the bot. Then it will reply, "Please provide lecturer name," for example. So if the name is not inside the database, then it will display name not found in the database. So now can press on the try again button to search again. Then now you can send the search command again. So now please provide a lecturer name. For example, now I am searching for the total assembly. Then it will reply, "Are you searching for total assembly?" So for now, if I press on the no button, then it will display search again. You may choose the command to proceed. So now I search again by send the search command to the bot. So now I still just for the total assembly. So it also will reply, "Are you searching for total assembly?" So for now, I will click on the yes button. So now it has displayed the staff ID, name, and also the room number for the total assembly, and also 5 nearby lecturer. So now I will send the count command to the bot. So for this count command, when I send to the bot, then it will reply, "There are 10 number of the lecturer in the database," and also will display the information of the 10 lecturer. And also will reply one message, "You may choose the command to proceed." So if your operation has cancelled, so now you can send the cancel command to the bot, and then it will reply, "Operation cancel." So that's all for my Telegram bot presentation. Thank you.